In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set bevel effect in Excel. If you want to give an object in Excel a more polished, dimensional look, adding a bevel effect is a quick and easy way to do it. A bevel can make shapes, pictures, charts, or text boxes appear raised or styled with a subtle 3D finish, which can help your worksheet visuals stand out without needing any complicated formatting. To begin, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet where you want to apply the bevel effect. Make sure the file is already loaded and that you can clearly see the object you want to format. This will make the next steps much easier and help you preview the effect as you work. Next, click to select the item you want to format. This can be a shape, a picture, a chart, or a text box. The bevel option only appears when a supported object is selected, so if you do not see the formatting tools right away, double check that the correct object is highlighted. Once the object is selected, go to the Shape Format tab or the Picture Format tab at the top of Excel. The tab you see will depend on the type of object you clicked. For example, if you selected a shape or text box, you will usually use Shape Format. If you selected an image, you will typically use Picture Format. After that, look for the Shape Styles group or the Picture Styles group in the ribbon. In that section, click Shape Effects or Picture Effects, depending on the object you are working with. This menu contains several visual enhancements, and Bevel is one of them. Now move your pointer over Bevel. As you hover, Excel will display a range of bevel styles, and you should be able to preview how each one looks on your selected object. This live preview is helpful because it lets you compare options before making a final choice. When you find the bevel style you want, simply click it to apply the effect. The formatting will update immediately, so you can see the results right away. If needed, you can reopen the same menu and choose a different bevel style until you get the look that fits your worksheet best. And that's it. You've successfully added a bevel effect in Excel. This is a simple formatting tool, but it can make your content look more refined and visually engaging, especially in dashboards, presentations, or reports created inside Excel.